Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. All right, so happy Sunday. How did your guys' week go? Hopefully you are achieving your goals, you are learning what you need to learn, and doing what you need to do. Because I did not. This week, and I do not want to be a Debbie Downer, and I do not want to go into details, especially some of the stuff was pretty major that I'm not ready to talk about, especially on camera. But my week was bad. Let's just say that. I have a lot going on, a lot of scary stuff, a lot of big decisions that need to be made. And it stressed me the freak out. I did talk about on Monday, or I think I put the video up Tuesday, but Monday wasn't a great day, and I made poor choices then. And those stressors really weren't that bad compared to where my week went. And so I think because I was already not in a strong, I could do this mode, I was already kind of weakened because of some bad decisions based off of the situation with a tire going flat. Really, that seemed like such a big deal in the moment, especially because it was piled with other things. And so when I was mentally trying to get back on track, like that's why like the tag videos, the weight loss struggle and the other one, like I recorded all those in the same day because I was trying. I'm making videos. I'm going to get focused. I'm going to get back on track. And I was trying. And then more stuff happened. And stuff that's a lot worse happened. So I made horrible decisions this week. I reacted poorly to the high amount of stress and the depression issues that I'm dealing with. And I'm owning up to it. It happened. I am not going to sit here and beat myself up. I'm not going to sit here and give extreme detail of every choice that I made, all the bad food I ate, all the laziness I did. I'm not going to do it. It happened. I am going to have to accept this and move on. And that's all we can do. We are never going to have perfect weeks every single week. And honestly, looking at the weigh-in numbers, I wish it wasn't as bad as it was. I knew I was going to gain, but I'm not... I wasn't going to be happy with any gain, but especially with how large of a gain this is, yeah, it's bad. But I do want to, on a positive note, positive and bad, not so positive because I made some bad food choices there, but if you do remember in one of the tag videos, in the random food question tag that I did for Tracy, the last question was food truck or diner, and I was talking about how I miss food trucks. Well, in St. Louis, we have a place called the 9 Mile Garden, where for lunch and for dinner, they have different food trucks that pull up, and they have a giant lawn, and they have plenty of seating that is socially spaced out. They have a giant screen that they'll play movies on, or they had the Cardinals game on, the baseball thing. So I went there with a friend to try to lift my spirits. And I had looked prior and saw that they had healthy options. So I could have behaved. I did not. We had some amazing food from the food trucks. There were these shawarma fries that were amazing. And these like giant egg rolls that weren't like Asian style that were fantastic. Za'atar rolls, but a savory kind, which was really cool. But yeah, so that was cool. That was fun. I did have some fun, and that was me trying to dig myself out of a mental hole. It didn't work because the place started getting busier towards the end, and so 2 issues with that. 1, social anxiety. Don't like crowds in general. 2, there's a pandemic, and people were wearing masks. Even though we were outside, they were wearing masks unless they were taking a bite of something or taking a drink. But still, there's even if we are 6 feet away, like me and my friends stayed close to each other and then they were 6 feet away, but their children are running all over the place, stressing me out. Either way, like it ended up not helping. It was a cute place, and when there's not a pandemic going on and when I'm not doing so poorly mentally, I would love to go back. So if you're ever in St. Louis, I definitely recommend checking it out. But yeah, so that was just one of the many bad food choices that I made this week. So let's get into the weigh-in. I stepped on the scale this morning and I didn't even do my usual step off, step on, let me keep trying, let me go to the bathroom, let me go hop in the shower and see if there's any extra oil I can get off. I knew it was going to be bad, so I'm just accepting it for what it is. And so I now weigh 317.2 pounds. So yeah, I gained 7.2 pounds this week. I'm still down 59.6. That's good. But yeah, so like I said, this week was bad, and I did not mean to rattle on this long about how bad it was, especially without actually giving you guys any details about what's been going on. Luckily, people are healthy. Let's just say that. It's just other bad things going on. But yeah, so this week, I've experimented with doing poorly. Did not help. So let me experiment with taking control of my dang life. And one aspect is back in control of my food, of my exercise. So I am going to be behaving. And in the one food, the food tag that I did, I admitted that typically on Sundays, today, I eat whatever I want to. I have always done that this whole journey. And not just I can eat my dailies and eat my weeklies like I tend to say. And I have admitted before that I go over that. But I'm going to try to not do that today. I am going to still eat my dailies and my weeklies. But I am going to stay within those. So I'm going to track whatever goes in here is going to be in my iTrackBites app. And I am not gonna go over the dailies, the dailies and weeklies this time. So we'll see how that goes, because this is gonna be the first time in over a year that I've tried to do that. And then as far as the rest of the week, it's the typical. Like, I don't know if I need to give you my goals every single time, because it's a typical. I want to track everything. I want to stay within my calorie and point range, or bites range, since I'm doing iTrackBites. I do want to exercise, I need to drink my water, and also I do need to work on my sleep because I've not been great with that. So, 5 goals. The basics, they are the founding, or the building blocks, the basic founding building blocks of my journey that typically lead to success are those things: tracking, staying within my points, water, exercise, sleep, that type of stuff. And eating healthier food with that. Not just staying within the points, but eating healthier. Yeah. So that is where I'm at for the week. Like I said, I'm not beating myself up this time. So I appreciate if any of you feel like you need to encourage me. Still feel free to. But I'm not being hard on myself. I'm not beating myself up because of what happened. I am accepting it, and I am moving on. It is a brand new day. Ow. What is that? Oh, it's a Quidditch captain pin that my roommate must have got, but it just stabbed me. But yeah, so it is a new day. I am going to do better. I plan to, and I am wanting to stick to that. So, yes. That's all I got. I'm rambling at this point. And sorry for being such a Debbie Downer lately. I try not to. Sometimes it's hard. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will talk to you guys probably Tuesday.